Okay, there comes number 13, the mighty 13. It had logarithms in it and some logic in there. If you want to see more about indices before you come to this video, you can go back and visit the playlist. You tap on the icon of playlist, then you scroll down, you'll see more about logarithms and indices, so that you can see the properties you're going to apply here. Okay, apart from that, we say solve X. You can pause the video and you see the question. The question is there at the start of the video and on that cover. So it says if log, they're telling us that if, this now we have a given logarithms, a logarithm here, telling us now this is our part A. If log, and as log equals to 1, solve for X. We start by applying the simple property that if I'm subtracting two logarithms, as long as the base is the same, I divide this exponent and that. So this now will be log, you get now, divide by, the base is the same, equals to 1. Then I apply this property. If I have log of A base B, this means that this A here is equal to B power C. So now I have this, the order of this is my A, this is the B, this is the C. So now I have 7 equals to this power 1, which I can multiply there, cross multiply, 10 into, opening brackets, take this side and bring this side, take this side, I have now plus, to get negative 1 plus 10, to get 9, then 10x minus 7x to get 3x. So my x is a 3. You get your 4 marks with ease. Then when it comes to part B was saying, Move Trading Company bought 360 bags of maize grain from a store at 6 shillings per bag. So meaning, one bag costs shilling S shillings. Sorry, 6 shillings. What is the cost of 360 bags? Will be 360 times S shillings. Okay, that's the first part. Sorry, times C. This is C. 6 shillings. Okay. Later, it sold 300 bags at 8 shillings. So, one bag was sold at 8 shillings. What about 300? Because they sold 300 bags, which will be 300 S shillings. So this is the cost of 300 bags at 8 shillings each. Later, it sold that at 8 shillings per bag, making 1/2 times as much as it spent buying all the maize. So meaning, this amount he obtained, or the company obtained from this, is 3 times over to this price they spent. So that means that now my 300S is 1/2 times the cost of all the bags. Okay, remember all the bags, there's both them at 360C. Now here, you can first say this is going to be the same as 3/2, converting the mixed fraction to an improper fraction. So this will give us now 300S equaling to, this is 180 times 3 to get plus 540C. So you see that they want us to get, they are telling us that S in terms of C. So my S will be now 540 divided by 300C. So my S will be now, when you divide that, what do we get? So we are getting 1.8C. So this is now the expression of S in terms of C. And this is R Roman numeral 1, B Roman numeral 1. If the company B Roman numeral 2, they are telling us that, you can read the question. If the company sold all the maize at 8 shillings, remember, one bag was sold at 8 shillings. Now they're telling us all. So meaning the 360 bags will be sold at 360 shillings. Now meaning I can now, but remember I have S in terms of C. I can remove that because I want me to get a profit. Or I can say now, first of all, my percentage profit is equaling to the selling price minus the cost price over the cost price times 100. Now my selling price is 360 minus the cost price C, which was 360 over the cost price times 100. But I see I have C in terms of, first of all, 300 even 60 is common. So if I divide it by 360 up and down, I can factorize it out into S minus C, the whole over 360C times 100. You see that this one is vanishing. And now I have, but my S equals to 1.8C. 1.8C. From here, so I substitute now so that I can have everything in terms of C. I'll be having now over C times 100. So this will give me, this will go, okay, 0.8C over C times 100, and the C will go, giving me 80. So they made percentage profit of 80%. Okay, as if we are doing numbers from chemistry of first principles. Okay, that's it. That's why we had to do number 13, but please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let us go to number 14.